Lesson goal. From this lesson, you'll learn about technical analysis and its use of it. You'll also learn about different time frame, charting pros, and limitations of technical analysis from this lesson. Learning outcome. An overview of technical analysis. Know the use of technical analysis. Learn about the charting on different time frames. Discover the pros of technical analysis. Find out the limitation of technical analysis. The use of technical analysis. Technical analysis is often used in conjunction with other forms of research by professional analysts. Trading decisions can be made solely by retail traders based on price charts and similar statistics, but equity analysts rarely restrict their research to fundamental or technical factors. Any security with historical trading data can be analyzed using technical analysis. A variety of securities are included in this category, such as stocks, futures, commodities, fixed income securities, currencies, and more. Trading in commodities and forex markets is more reliant on technical analysis, which focuses on short-term movements in prices. In technical analysis, price movement is forecasted for a wide variety of tradable instruments, such as stocks, bonds, futures, and currency pairs, that are generally subject to supply and demand forces. The technical analysis simply examines the market price movements of a security as a reflection of supply and demand forces. Price changes are usually the focus of technical analysis, but there are other numbers analysts track, like the volume of trades or open interest figures.